and Jason Mosquito.
It's clear to see that a lot of wonderful work is being done by this team, ladies and gentlemen. Please do encourage them and acknowledge the good work, the hard work they've put in.
And the Gold Olive Crown goes to Niche Minds for hashtag Wipro Earth Hour Challenge. Created by Akshay Anant, Sandeep Sangli, PC Muralidharan, Pramod N, Praveen D, Meshach Sandesh, and Adip Somana.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please encourage them so they do bigger and better and more wonderful work in the coming years. Thank you. Thank you very much to all the wonderful work, the workers, the hard work which has been put in, and all the winners. Many congratulations. Now, to put things across to various stakeholders, be it internal or external, the right kind of messaging, look and feel in a flawless execution is absolutely quintessential. And in today's day and age, integrating it with innovation is absolutely important. Can we have the next AV, please?
For the category of events, we present the Silver Olive Crown of the evening to DDB Mudra Group for E-Ganesha.
We got people to pledge to recycle their old electronics by calling E-Zone Care, on ground and on social media. People got talking about their old electronics and about how Lord Ganesha helped give old electronics a new beginning this year.
Created by Sonal Dabral, Rahul Matthew, Ashish Pathak, Siddhesh Khatavkar, Wilson Gonzalez, Savya Narang, Sruthin Casey, and Jason Mosquito.
Once again, the wonderful team on stage. A lot of good work being done by them. It's a lot of trophies. Many congratulations. What a brilliant brainwave. May God give us the ability to save and better our planet. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. One of our support partners this evening is India's third largest mobile operator and someone who does advertising absolutely spot on. Can we have the audio visual, please?
नेहा, मोबाइल का बिल पेमेंट।
हमारा यही प्रॉब्लम है, अपना काम अपने आप कोई नहीं करता। आइडिया, सो माय आइडिया ऐप, अपने ऐप। अब से अपना काम अपने ऐप।
ओह चेंजिंग, गेट आउट। मेरा प्लान चेंज करवाया क्या? माय आइडिया ऐप, अपने ऐप। माय आइडिया ऐप। इंडिया, अब अपना काम करो अपने ऐप। अभी डाउनलोड कीजिए माय आइडिया ऐप और पाइए 1 GB तक मोबाइल इंटरनेट।
कब से फोन ट्राई कर रही लैंड किया, देखा रोमिंग पैक बंद है। वरुण, मम्मी का रोमिंग पैक।
हमारा ना यही प्रॉब्लम है, अपना काम अपने आप कोई नहीं करता।
वरुण,
आइडिया, माय आइडिया ऐप, अपने ऐप, माय आइडिया ऐप।
इंडिया, अब अपना काम करो अपने ऐप। अभी डाउनलोड कीजिए माय आइडिया ऐप और पाइए 1 GB तक मोबाइल इंटरनेट।
Ladies and gentlemen, speaking about the Go Green at the 215 Paris Conference, President of Micronesia, Peter M. Christian, said that the challenge is to save ourselves, not someone else but ourselves. To present the next set of awards, join me as I welcome on stage Ms. Vishakha Singh, CEO, Red Polka and IAA Management Committee member. Mr. Chandrasekhar Vaidya, Senior Partner and Executive Creative Director, Mr. R.K. Swami, BBDO, and jury member of IAA Olive Crown Awards. Mr. Rahul Welde, Vice President, Media Asia, Africa, Middle East, Turkey, and Asia. As we consume a lot of media outside of where we reside, out of home indeed forms an integral part of the green message ecosystem to reach to every individual clearly and correctly. Can we please have the AV?
The next category is out of home. DDB Mudra North bags the silver olive crown in this category for trees. Created by Sonal Dabral, Sambit Mohanty, Subhashish Datta, Shivil Gupta, Pallav Medhi, Martin Hargreaves, and Aniruddh Nair.
His team has been up on stage many times now. They obviously are doing some brilliant work. Thank you very much for your consistent effort.
And DDB Mudra Group bags the silver olive crown for E-Ganesha.
The challenge. How do we shift the festive sales narrative to draw people's attention? We found the solution in one of India's most glaring problems, electronic waste disposal. We got them to bring in their useless electronics for recycling by calling E-Zone Care and rewarded them with discounts for the same.
Created by Sonal Dabral, Rahul Matthew, Ashish Pathak, Siddhesh Khatavkar, Wilson Gonzalez, Savya Narang, Sruthin Casey, and Jason Mesquita.
He didn't have to go very far away. Back again on stage, being lauded for his extremely good work.
The gold olive crown in this category also goes to DDB Mudra Group for the Blue Bowl project.
India is in a grip of brutal heat wave. Every year, between May and June, India is scalded by a heat wave that claims thousands of lives. At its peak, summer temperatures can touch 50 degrees Celsius. For years, Carrier air conditioners have been bringing temperatures down for people. But this year, they wanted to help those whom everyone overlooked, the birds and animals of the city, who have no protection from the killer heat. Thus was born the Blue Bowl project by Carrier. As a part of the cooling process, ACs draw out the moisture from homes and expel them as water drops. We decided to put this water, which would normally be wasted, to good use by connecting pipes to the water outlets of ACs in residential complexes, which drained into a storage container at the ground level. Drop by drop, these containers soon got filled with cool water, water that could make the difference between life and death for the thirsty urban wildlife. Over 500 blue bowls were placed across Delhi and Gurgaon during the summer of 2015. Of course, we couldn't measure the results of the activity. But when we heard the birds singing after the rains came, the music sounded a lot sweeter.
Created by Sonal Dabral, Sambit Mohanty, Subhashish Datta, Gyan Sagar, Nandita Bajpai, Pankaj Arora, and Himani Joshi.
Oh, wonderful. Once again, many congratulations for all your wins. Now, a strong backend ensures that products and services turn out to be the best. But when the thought of sustainability starts back here, it surely creates a lasting effort. Can we have the next AV for the next category, please?
For the category Print Production, the Silver Olive Crown goes to Seed Advertising Private Limited for Jungle Life. Created by Sanju Iyer, Shailesh Meshram, and Akash Nagrani. No Gold Olive Crown has been awarded in this category.
Many, many congratulations to the winner. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you. Another supporting partner this evening is an Indian e-commerce shopping website known for its mobile payment service platform. Can we please have the audio visual?
जल्दी करना।
ऐसे हो
गया?
या वैसे हो,
कैसा भाई है?
अपनों को सरप्राइज करो।
इतना बुरा भी नहीं है।
बिल भर दो, थोड़ा दिल भर दो।
बेटा इतना रिचार्ज क्यों करवाया?
कोई आप ही ने तो बोला कि बातें भी पूरी नहीं हुई और तू जा रहा है।
छुट्टे के झगड़े
छुट्टा नहीं है सर, 500 ही तो पेटीएम कर दीजिए।
बार्गेन जी भर करो, अपने प्राइस पे डन करो।
जिंदगी जीने का नया तरीका शुरू करो।
पेटीएम करो।
Fresh ideas, wonderful ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, for all the winners, for all the good ideas, for all the good spark that's going on, can we please have a huge round of applause? Thank you very much. Thank you. It's a wonderful evening. Now, they say, of course, that you're never too young to change the world, and our next set of awards stand true as for that. We honor young and fresh minds, fresh ideas, who have showcased sustainability and creativity. To present these next set of awards, I would love to invite on stage Ms. Teesta Sen, National Creative Director and Senior Vice President, WJT India and IAA Olive Crown Award jury member. Mr. Ramesh Narayanan, Managing Director, Canco Advertising Private Limited and IAA Managing Committee member. And Ms. Sonal Sonavne, Senior Manager, Paytm. Thank you, sir. Can we please have the audio visual?
The Silver Olive Crown in the category Young Green Writer of the Year goes to Akshay Anand for Help Us Green, So Don't Throw. No Gold Olive Crown has been awarded in this category.
भगवान की फोटो होने से पूजा सामग्री ज्यादा बिकती है बाकी सबसे।
पूजा का सामान है, भगवान की फोटो है, कूड़े में कैसे डालूं, नदी में प्रवाहित कर रहा हूँ।
Ladies and gentlemen, please do keep the applause growing. Wonderful initiative, wonderful young man, lots more to see. While we saw the power of green writing, it is time to see the young custodians behind the green visual masterpiece. Can we please have the audio visual?
This year sees two winners for the Silver Olive Crown Awards in the category Young Green Art Director of the Year. The Tadri Kothur from Ogilvy and Mehta, Mumbai, for Tree Ganesha.
We came up with a simple yet powerful idea, Tree Ganesha. This special Ganesh idol was made from natural soil, organic fertilizer and seeds. All it needed was a little sprinkle of water to complete the immersion ritual, and soon it would grow into a tree.
Once again, this whole team has been doing some wonderful work in the past year, which must be acknowledged.
Sumit Patil from Umbrella Design for Ganesha by Blind.
And there we have him, marching towards the stage wearing green pants. How appropriate. Ladies and gentlemen, we can show him some more love. He's done some wonderful work. Thank you very much, sir. The flagship entity of VRL Media is one of our supporting partners tonight. Can we please have the audiovisual?
VRL Logistics is the journey of a dream that began in 1976 by Dr. Vijay Sankeshwar with a single truck and a vision that was way ahead of its time. VRL Logistics, with over 3 decades of experience, has grown into a leading, nationally acclaimed logistics solutions provider. The visionary Sankeshwar family launched Vijayvani, the only all-edition color Kannada daily with 10 multi-editions. Mr. Anand Sankeshwar